The fourth mistake that can kill the value of your case is to not look for all the available insurance coverage that's available. Jay-Z helps a Florida injury law firm. I'm going to give you an example in a second about a pedestrian from another country who was in Miami, Florida. He rented a car. While he was a pedestrian, another car struck him, and he fractured his lower leg bone, which is the tibia. He had a rod inserted into the tibia. The other car that hit him actually was a rental car as well, had $100,000 of liability insurance. That insurance company paid us the $100,000. When I asked my client if he had uninsured motorist insurance, he said, I didn't purchase any. Well, we wrote to the rental car company. He actually did purchase $100,000 of uninsured motorist insurance coverage, which is very rare, but they ultimately paid us the $100,000. So mistake number 4 for him would have been to not look for this additional insurance coverage. Likewise, I had a case where a woman fractured her wrist and she had a plate put in her wrist, and the at-fault driver had $100,000 of insurance. USAA responded to our letter requesting their insurance information, saying they have $100,000. And it was only when I pressed USAA, they told me that the employer, her employer, the other driver's employer, the other driver caused the accident, had a $1 million policy with another insurance company. Had I not pressed them and looked for additional insurance coverage, we would have missed out on $100,000. The entire case settled for $200,000. Prior to getting money from the employer's insurance company, we had $100,000 from USAA, so we were able to discover another $100,000. Now, that's just one example of discovering extra insurance coverage, but there can be loads of places where that extra insurance coverage may be hiding.